this is Mark Roemke with Ninja Training TV. Today we have a hardcore basic for you called Tai Sabaki. So Tai Sabaki means get off the line. And the way we teach it to beginners is very simple but very effective and used throughout your career in even your most advanced moves. So if I pick a line on the ground here and I split my body up with it by standing over it, the first Tai Sabaki we teach is just to get off the line and bring your hands up. Gives you some distance, gives you a little bit of time by backing up and seeing if that person has a weapon, and it gets you off the line of attack. Why would you want to be off the line of attack? Well, good you asked. We're going to show you. So Kyle has a knife in his hand. If I don't move, and guess what? Plah! Or a stab. Shah! I get shanked, right? This is all coming on a line of attack. It doesn't matter if his attack was from overhead or if it's coming from underneath. I need to get off that line. So my basic one is just to get off this line. Maybe he's going to come in with another one, probably, but I survived that first attack. And I've created distance between me and my opponent. If I go the other way with that same move, I'm off the line, but now I'm on the inside, so I might have to deal with something else. So when we're teaching Tai Sabaki, we're giving a mind frame of like, it's always safer to go to the outside if you can, but if you don't, it's okay. You're on the inside. Now you might have to deal with the second attack even quicker than you did before. So that was a knife attack. How about a sword attack? Okay, sword coming from above. Guess what? Tai Sabaki. Get off the line. Same thing on the other side. Tai Sabaki. Maybe I have my hands in. I didn't want to keep them out this time and I could turn in and maybe block or something. So there's two different weapons. How about a third weapon? Uh-oh. Pistola. This is not good. So what do I need to do? Get off the line. If he pulls the trigger and I'm off the line, maybe a round goes through. Maybe my hearing gets hurt, but maybe I got off and didn't get hit. This Tai Sabaki is very important. With a gun, if the person gets that close, they probably don't know what they're doing anyway, but could be a situation where they do. If I have a gun, I'm going to hold somebody at bay way far away because I'm a good shot. But if you're not a good shot and you might come up to rob somebody, you talk to them, bring your hands up, hey man, I'll give you my wallet, boom, and you're offline, Tai Sabaki again. And then from there, we can deal with that. Take, strip the gun, go, get out! And then you go from there. So, thank you, Kyle. These are three different weapons. Just think unlimited ways that somebody could come in with a naginata, a spear, some type of rope, rip off a car antenna. You name it. It can be coming in on a line of attack. Yes, we have scenarios where they come at angles then. And that's an advanced Tai Sabaki. So that's what we teach you guys in our course. So we wanted to give you the most basic. If you're at home and you want to train, find a mirror in front of you, step off line. Check to see if you left your leg out there. You don't want to do that if they're swinging something and you just duck your upper body. And you don't want to be off balance because you want to counterattack maybe or do some type of a block. So when you come off, stay grounded, stay centered so that you can move again. And then you can move again and move again. It's kind of common sense, but it's really good to go over because a lot of people get nervous when they come into a dojo for the first time and they don't know what to do. So we just give them super basics. And then we have somebody throw punches at them and they just move offline and maybe they just bat them away. And they're doing that Tai Sabaki. So this is for you guys, basic Tai Sabaki. 45-degree angle going back. Make sure you recollect yourself. Keep your knees bent. Keep breathing and you'll be okay. Awesome. Stay out there. Stay training. And keep stoked. I'll see you guys next time.